I can't believe I bought Jasmy under a penny. Literally yesterday. Behind me, you'll see that I made a post saying, I can't believe it. Jasmy's under a penny. I bought at 0.00947. Why? Why would I do this? Well, the use case, the tokenomics, oversold levels, positive divergence, fear and greed index is at an all time fearful level. And honestly, this is a huge overreaction in my opinion. Now, this is all due to tariffs. This is all due to Binance. This is due to a lot of things. Pretty much every stock is down right now. Most cryptos are down, except CRV, which I also bought at 4877. Listed the reasons right here. Have a bunch of posts for Patreon members. Of course, if you want to join the community, start to learn about different stocks in crypto, link is down below. But guys, we are living in some scary times for a lot of people. Dow futures tumble a second day, losing 1,100 points after China retaliates to Trump tariffs. Like, this is going to cause a war at the end of the day. Honestly, like, Trump is being super aggressive. I understand this is for strength for America and to bring, more money to America. And we're in a bunch of debt that keeps going up. Literally, you can go to debtclock.org or debtclock.com and you'll see our debt just goes up every second. It's pretty disappointing that Jasmy is literally trading at 1 penny right now, right above a penny. Like, this is absolutely insane. Couple months ago it was at 6 cents and that was the top, and now it's at a penny. It's discounted massively. So what do we do, right? What is the game plan? Well, I really do believe that the only game plan is, and it's not financial advice, I'm not financial advice, it's all my own opinion. You should do what you want to do, but the only game plan, the only strategy you could really have right now is, if you believe in the project, if you believe in a crypto, if you believe in the stock, whatever it is, you got to bring your average down. You got to be buying more of it, right? Now, there are levels that I'll tell you guys about. The next level of support for Jasmy is about 8485. Let's just say 8.0085. I wish it was 8.5 cents, but 0.0085. So write that number down, because that's the next area we could definitely go to. I like that we're above a penny again. I like that I bought in at 9.4 and now I'm in profit from that buy, but am I crossing my fingers? No. I think we could definitely trend down, especially with, just look at the entire market right now. Really depends. If Bitcoin goes down to 73 to 74,000, which it definitely can, altcoins are done short term. Now, in the long term, I don't think the cycle is topped. I do think 2025 will still be a great year, even if you've been buying for the last several months, even if your portfolio is deep in the red. I still think we're going to be positive and massively green this year of 2025. There's a lot of experts that say we're going to have a blow off top. I don't know. All I know is the QQQ and the S&P 500 have been creating negative divergence on a 3-month chart and a 1-month chart. And that was always a concern of mine. I've been preaching about it for the last 6 months. I really wanted that to wait, but we're seeing the effects of that negative divergence playing out on a monthly time frame and a 3-month chart. You can look it up yourself. And now we're seeing a downturn in the stock market and unfortunately the crypto markets as well. Bitcoin topped at 108,000 and now it's coming down. I think we're at 82,000 right now. So here's something you need to take notes on. Do I believe the top is in for Bitcoin? No. I think Bitcoin will at least get up to 120 to 130. Again, just my own opinion. Looking at the RSI, Fibonacci, cycle timelines, all the above. Okay. That means that altcoins will also go up. Now, will every altcoin that you hold make a new high from what it made in, what was that, November, December? Probably not. Some of your altcoins probably topped in November, December, okay? But some altcoins will still get a significant bounce out of here. And I think Jasmy is going to be one of those altcoins. I'm still sticking with my belief that if Jasmy already topped at 6 cents, we're going to get a retracement at least up to 4 pennies, and that's going to make a higher low, and that's the 618 level. So then we're going to need to determine, is the top actually in, or are we going to go much higher? Time will tell. We can't tell right now, but that's my prediction, I would say, is once we bottom, whether it's here at a penny or whether it's at 8.4, okay, we're going to run back up to at least 4 cents for Jasmy. Great use case. I already told you guys the reasons why I like Jasmy and why I bought more. Once we get to 4 cents, we'll see if we pull back or if we break through. Now, if we break above 4 cents and we break the high of 6 cents, yeah, it's very important. We break the high of 6 cents, especially if we get a daily candle close above 6 cents, then I think we're going to go hit the targets that I've been giving you guys for the last year, right? And remember, I've been in Jasmy since 0.005, 0.006 back in 2023. Made a bunch of posts about it. It's unfortunate that now we're down at a penny. We made some money on Jasmy. We didn't capitalize the best way we probably should have, but this time we're locked in and we know exactly when we're selling. So with that, I hope you guys have a great day. Drop a like, we appreciate that. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.